Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the December 2022 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month and it includes 2 brand new collections. You get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our talented design team, and they'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions so you can create right along with them. You'll also receive a color photograph of the finished layout so you can see what they're creating. Also, as a subscriber, you have access to a free cut file. These are designed by Cut to You and they're exclusive to the Scrap Room. And so this month is this Joy Love Peace cut file with the Christmas tree. It's perfect for the collections this month. I know you're going to love all of them. Who's ready for Christmas? This month we're featuring 49th and Market, Holiday Wishes, and Simple Story, Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge. These could very well be all kind of intermingled together. They're just super gorgeous collections. If you're wanting even more Christmas collections, check out our Flavors of the Month, which has 4 brand new collections. I'll have links at the end of this video for those, so check them out. All right, so let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these gorgeous collections. Our first collection we're going to look at is Picking the Tree from 49 and Market. This is a gorgeous kind of vintage feel to it, distressing, that great farm truck that I love so much, the red. So let's start with our cardstock. For the cardstock, you're going to receive 1 sheet of powder blue cardstock and 2 sheets of ruby red. For the pattern paper, we have Picking the Tree, which has the farm truck in the corners with the tree in it. Has this distressing with some holly leaves and book print. It's just beautiful. The back is a red tone-on-tone with the leaves and a candy cane stripe for the branding strip. This paper is Miracle. We have the holly branches and again that text on the background. The back is a tone-on-tone green with a green candy cane stripe. This paper is called The Village, which has the houses and the farm truck with the deer and all of the snow. And the back is a distressed candy cane stripe. And the branding strip on this one is really cool. So you have a red strip with the days of the week and the date. And then you have it in green. So you could use that. It'd be fun laying next to your photos and then circle the date from the photo. So one more look at the pattern paper. Your embellishments are all going to vary, but you're going to receive a sheet of rub-on. So this is the one that I received along with the popsicle stick, so you can rub those on. It's just gorgeous. You're going to receive some chipboard pieces. So all of these here are chipboards. We have tabs, some little circles, word labels, and then you're going to get some of the die-cut ephemera pieces. Again, all of these will vary, but they're just gorgeous. I love these pieces like this that 49 and Market does with the old receipt books and newspaper prints. It's just gorgeous. So that is Holiday Wishes from 49th and Market. Our next collection is Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge from Simple Stories. This is another kind of older vintage collection with the vintage Santa and the distressing. It is just gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of moss cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Jolly St. Nick, which has the old distressed wood fencing and white paint, and then all of this cluster of book pages and the Santa. It's gorgeous. The back is a black with a chalkboard print. This one's 'Tis the Season. Look at these gorgeous florals and the holly up here. The green distressing. We've got like postage stamps here and music in the background. The back is this red print. Then we have Peace on Earth, which is the cardinals with the pine cone branches on the black and a green and white checked. Just gorgeous. So those traditional red and green colors just with a little bit of distressing. Then for your embellishments, you're going to receive the pack of simple pages. So this is set up to where you can design a double page layout with all of these, and they give you the idea here, or you can use them any way that you want. So this is everything that you'll receive. You have a large title, a large border piece that you could use at the bottom or to anchor your photos, and then Santa Claus and the letter. So many cute embellishments. So that is Simple Vintage Christmas Lodge from Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit for this month. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group and see what everybody's creating. Get inspired and create with your holiday photos. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to the ScrapRoom, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.